Girl, did you hear what happened to Christy? Girl, I told you I don't gossip anymore. You know that. I'm sorry, I forgot we were adults. Ugh.
Hypothetically speaking, what if I wanted to know though?
Hypothetically telling, her husband is a part of the LGBTQ community.
Don't be disrespectful, you forgot the tea.
Girl, I just spilled the tea.
Oh my god, Fifi, stop, I don't gossip anymore.
Girl,
how do you know that information?
Nope, I'm done gossiping. I am a woman!
You know what, I'm gonna turn the other cheek.
Hello?
How do you know?
Natalie told me.
Told you what?
That her husband's gay.
Since